Hey everybody, welcome to class today. Today we're going to be doing an intermediate to advanced no talking flow. So I'm only going to cue the names of the poses. It's going to be a fairly fast paced flow to really build some heat. If you do like these classes, please remember to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram and head over to my website to check out more. We're going to start with some sun salutations at the top of the mat. So start as always by tapping into the breath, standing nice and tall in Tadasana. Inviting Ujjayi if that's in your practice. And if they're not already, bring the hands together at heart center, bow the head, set an intention. Surya Namaskar Classical. Inhale, sweep the arms. Exhale, fold. Inhale, right leg. Exhale, plank. Hold the breath lower to the belly. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, dog. Inhale, right leg. Exhale, fold. Inhale, raise. Exhale, fold. Inhale, left. Exhale, plank. Hold and lower. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, dog. Inhale, left. Exhale, fold. Inhale, raise. Exhale. Inhale, right. Exhale. Hold and lower. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, right. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, left. Exhale. Hold and lower. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, left. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, right. Exhale. Hold and lower. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, right. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, left. Exhale. Hold and lower. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, left. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last round. Inhale, right. Exhale. Hold and lower. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, right. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, left. Exhale. Hold and lower. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, left. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, hands heart center. Inhale, chair pose. Hold for 5 breaths. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Step back to plank. 5 breaths. shift forward, either lower all the way or halfway for Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Step the right leg forward, set up for warrior one. Raise up, warrior one, 5 breaths. Exhale, plant the hands, Vinyasa or not to downward dog. Step the left leg forward, set up for warrior one. Raise up, 5 breaths. Exhale, lower the hands, Vinyasa or not to downward dog. Look towards the hands, step, walk or float to the top. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale to fold. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale to stand. Surya Namaskar B. Inhale, chair. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, step, walk or float. Inhale, up dog cobra. Exhale, down dog. Step the right leg forward, warrior one, inhale. Exhale, Vinyasa or not to downward dog. Step the left leg forward, inhale, warrior one. Exhale, Vinyasa or not to downward dog. Inhale. Exhale, look towards the top of the mat, step or float. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chair. Exhale, stand. 2 more rounds. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, right. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Left leg. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Step, walk or float. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last round. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Right leg. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Left leg. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Step, walk or float. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, chair. Exhale. exhale. Inhale, chair. Exhale. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step, walk or float. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, raise the right leg up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, back. Exhale, right knee, right elbow. Inhale, back. Exhale, cross. Kick the leg out. Inhale, fallen triangle. Exhale here. Inhale. Exhale, plant the left hand, three-legged dog. Inhale. Exhale, step it through. Inhale, crescent lunge, hold for 5 breaths. Inhale. Exhale, standing split on the right. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, Shiva squat. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, low lunge. Plant the left hand. Inhale, simple twist. Exhale. Stay as you inhale. Exhale, Vashisthasana, left arm, 5 breaths. Look towards the top of the mat, plank pose, your choice, Vinyasa or straight to dog. Inhale, sweep the left leg up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale. Exhale, left knee, left elbow. Inhale. Exhale, cross. Step the left leg out. Inhale, fallen triangle. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, plant the right hand, three-legged dog. Inhale. Exhale, step it forward, raise up, crescent, 5 breaths. Inhale. Exhale, plant the hands, standing split. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, Shiva squat. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, low lunge. Plant the right hand. Inhale, simple twist. Exhale. Inhale to stay. Exhale, side plank Vashisthasana. 5 breaths. Come back to the top of the mat. Your choice, Vinyasa or straight to downward dog. Look towards the top, step, walk or float. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chair. Exhale, sweep the arms back. Raise the heels, balanced chair. Hold for 5 breaths. Take the arms forward, inhale. Exhale, sink all the way onto the heels. crow pose, Bakasana. 5 breaths. Step, walk, float, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, right leg sweeps. Exhale, step it through. Drop the back heel. Inhale, warrior 2. 5 breaths. Inhale, exhale, side angle or variation. Inhale, look forward, take the right hand forward, half moon, float the left leg up. Inhale, exhale, standing split. Inhale, stay. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, exhale, no hands, Shiva squat. Inhale, 2 more. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale with or without the hands to low squat. Plant the left hand, inhale, exhale, side plank, option to float the leg. Inhale, exhale, optional one-legged vinyasa. Inhale, left leg. Exhale, step it through. Inhale, warrior 2. Exhale, 5 breaths. Inhale, exhale, side angle or modification. Inhale, exhale, take the left hand forward, side moon. Inhale, exhale, standing split. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, exhale, no hands, Shiva squat. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale with or without the hands to low lunge. Plant the right hand, inhale, simple twist. Exhale, option for a floating leg, side plank. Exhale, optional one-legged vinyasa. Inhale in downward dog. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, step, walk or float. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chair. Exhale, arm sweep, balance chair. Stay on the toes. Inhale, come all the way to standing. Exhale, part the arms, forward fold on the toes. Drop the heels, inhale, lengthen. Exhale, step walk or float. Inhale, up dog cobra. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, right leg sweeps. Exhale, step it through. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale to sink. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, floating side angle. Right arm comes to the left hip. Two more. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle and stay. Maybe hand to the inside. Maybe a half bind. Maybe a full bind. Maybe stay or hop the left foot in for a bound chair. Maybe stay, start to shift the weight to the left foot and start to make your way to bird of paradise. All just options. If you're in bird of paradise, slowly start to come out the way that you came in. Bound chair. Bound side angle. Everybody meets in side angle. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, reverse triangle. Inhale, upright. Exhale, triangle. 5 breaths. Cartwheel the hands down with or without a vinyasa. Downward dog. Inhale, sweep the left leg up. Exhale, step it through. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, sink a little deeper. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, floating side angle. Left arm comes to the right hip. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. This time maybe left hand to the inside. Half bind or full bind. Stay or look down towards the left foot. Step the right foot in for bound chair. Stay or shift the weight to the right foot, bringing yourself up into bird of paradise. If you're in bird of paradise, slowly coming back down. Bound chair. Bound side angle. Everybody side angle. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, reverse triangle. Inhale, upright. Exhale, triangle. Inhale. Exhale with or without a vinyasa to downward dog. Look towards the top, step, walk or float. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chair. Exhale, balance chair. Inhale on the toes all the way to standing. Exhale on the toes, forward fold. Drop the heels, inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, back to chair. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, right knee to the chest. Exhale, cross it over, eagle legs. Inhale, take the arms apart. Exhale, right arm underneath left, eagle arms. 5 breaths in eagle. Keep the arms. Inhale, straighten the legs. Exhale, warrior 3 on the left leg with eagle arms. 5 breaths. Take an inhale. Exhale, start to dip forward into a standing split with eagle arms. Plant the hands. Take 1 to 5 handstand hops, or maybe hold a handstand. Meet in downward dog. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale, halfway or all the way. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Look towards the front, step, walk or float. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, balance chair. Inhale, take the arms forward to shoulder height. Exhale, sink to the heels. Crow pose, option to come into tripod headstand. 5 breaths wherever you're going. Slowly with control, make your way back to downward dog. Look towards the top of the mat, step, walk or float. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, lift the left knee. Exhale, cross it over. Inhale, take the arms wide. Exhale, left arm underneath the right. Eagle pose for 5 breaths. Keep the arms. Inhale, come to standing. Exhale, warrior 3 with eagle arms on the right leg. 5 breaths. Start to dip it down all the way into standing split variation. And then plant the hands. Take 0 to 5 handstand hops or hold. Meeting back in downward facing dog. Inhale, shift it forward. Exhale, halfway down. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Look towards the hands, step, walk or float. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale to fold. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, sternum to thumbs. Exhale, left knee, right elbow twist. Hold for 5 breaths. Stay or move into side crow. If you're in the arm balance, bring the feet down. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, sternum to thumbs. Exhale, right elbow, left knee. Stay or make your way into side crow. If you're in the arm balance, slowly make your way down. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, fold. Lift the toes, slip the palms underneath the feet. Hastavakrasana. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale to fold. Take the left hand to the left hip. Take the right peace fingers around the big toe. Shift the weight to the left. Come up to standing, holding the right big toe. Staying here or extending the leg, Badakanasana. Option to open the leg out to the side. Take the right ankle, cross it across the left knee. Take the hands to heart center. Start to sink back for standing pigeon. Any arm variation that is calling to you. And then stay here or make your way into flying pigeon, taking the hands down. And if you're in the arm balance, slowly coming back into standing pigeon and coming all the way up into standing. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to fold. Take the left peace fingers around the big toe, right hand to the right hip. Shift the weight to the right, bring the left toe with you as you come to standing. Staying here or extending the leg or taking it out to the side. And crossing the left ankle over the top of the left thigh, of the right thigh. Hands to heart center, start to sink yourself back into standing pigeon. Taking any arm variation that works for you. Sinking the hips low. And staying here or planting the hands, making your way into flying pigeon. And if you're in the arm balance, slowly making your way back to standing pigeon. And then all the way to standing. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale to fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step, walk or float. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, shift it forward to plank. Exhale, lower all the way to the belly. Forehead comes down, hands rest, palms up by the side of the body. Inhale, peel the shoulders, peel the chest off. Locust variation. Stay, or as you exhale, press the hands down, float the legs off. Feet are hips distance apart. Stay, or on your next exhale, float the arms up to the height of the hips. Exhale, make a cushion with the hands, rest a cheek. Bring the feet hips distance apart. Take the hands to rest on the sacrum. Lift the elbows away from the floor. Inhale. Exhale, press into the feet. Peel the chest off. Inhale here. Stay, or as you exhale, float the legs off. Exhale, make a cushion with the hands, rest the opposite cheek. Bring yourself into a starfish position. Feet come off the mat, hands come out wide. Inhale, and then exhale. Lift everything up. Pinky toes are facing towards the sky. Exhale, rest a cheek. Bring the feet back to hips distance apart. Reach the arms out in front of you. Pinky fingers facing down. Inhale, raise just the arms and the torso off. Exhale. Inhale. Stay, or on your exhale, float the legs off. Gazes directly down. Exhale, rest a cheek. Last one on the belly. Take any of those options or come into Dhanya Asana, grabbing the outsides of the heels. Knees are hips distance apart. Inhale. Exhale, press the feet into the hands. Raise up, bow pose. Exhale, slowly release, rest a cheek. Bring the hands underneath the elbows, tuck the toes, knees up or down. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, plank. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, sweep the right leg up. Exhale, right knee to right wrist. Set the shin down. Set the bum down and come into Ardha Matsyendrasana, sweeping the left leg around to stamp to the outside of the right foot. Left hand behind. Inhale, sweep the right arm up. Exhale, twist to the left. Interlace the fingers, take them around the sole of the left foot and come into heron pose. Option to straighten the right leg in front of you. Take the right hand to the outside of the left foot, extend the left arm behind you, revolved heron. Come back to center. Option to stop anywhere along the path. Take the left knee over the left shoulder. Plant the left hand, extending the right leg out in front of you. Option to come into compass pose, straightening out through the left leg, peering underneath the right arm. Release. Option to make your way into Ashtavakrasana, planting both of the hands, hooking the right ankle around the left. Making your way back to a seat, crossing over the ankles. Vinyasa or not to downward dog. Inhale, sweep the left leg up. Exhale, left knee to left wrist. Set the shin down. Come onto the bum. Sweep the right leg around. Ardha Matsyendrasana. Inhale, left arm sweeps. Exhale, twist to the right. Interlace the fingers, take them around the sole of the right foot, extend the right leg for heron pose. Option to extend the left leg long. Take the left hand to the outside of the right foot, sweep the right arm behind you, revolved heron. Release. Option to stop anywhere along the way. Take the right knee to the right shoulder. Left hand still around the outside. Option for compass pose, straightening out the right leg, looking underneath the left arm. Strap is always optional. Taking the left leg out in hummingbird. Taking the left leg out in front of you. Sorry, a hummingbird just landed on the microphone. Plant the right hand and the left hand. Option for Ashtavakrasana. And then coming back to a seat. extending both legs out in front of you. Inhale, sweep the arms up, Dandasana. Exhale, Paschimottanasana, fold forward. Bring the soles of the feet together, Badakanasana. Final seated pose, Uttanasana. Take the legs wide. Stay with the hands behind the hips. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Stay or start to walk yourself forward. Walk yourself back in. And come to a simple cross-legged position. And we're going to finish here today. Feel free to come into a traditional Shavasana if you would prefer. And turn the palms up towards the ceiling. Close the eyes. Take a full deep belly breath in through the nose. And then let it go through the mouth. Feeling the entire body starting to relax and slow down. Becoming observant of the thoughts that start to creep in. And know that you dedicated this time to yourself. There's nowhere else that you have to be right now. I invite you to spend at least a few minutes here, breathing slowly, becoming an unjudgmental observer of your thoughts. Today, as you go forward, may you have energy in your thoughts, clarity in your words, and peace in your heart. Namaste.